There's no end to the raging controversy over the country's popular food option, Maggi noodles. After 7 out of the 13 samples failed the safety test, the Delhi government has put an immediate ban on Maggi for 15 days. The Kejriwal government will also initiate a case against Nestle for misbranding of the product. The entire controversy began when the UP FDA last month asked Nestle India to withdraw a batch of Maggi noodles which were manufactured in February 2014 after excessive MSG. A taste enhancer was found in it. Those results pushed a lot of states to send Maggi samples for testing.
मार्केट के अंदर जितनी भी ब्रांड्स हैं उन सभी ब्रांड्स के सैंपल्स लिए जाएं और उनको चेक करने के आदेश दिए हैं। आज मॉर्निंग में मैगी कंपनी के कुछ लोग मिलने के लिए आए थे, ऑफिसर्स मिलने के लिए आए थे। उन्होंने अपना सबमिशन दिया था। उस सबमिशन से हम पूरी तरह सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हैं। सरकार ने 15 दिन के लिए फॉर 15 डेज मैगी के ऊपर बैन लगाया है और कंपनी को आदेश दिया जाता है कि वो अपना दिल्ली के अंदर जितना भी स्टॉक है उस सारे स्टॉक को हटा ले और नया स्टॉक प्रॉपर चेकिंग कराने के बाद ही दिल्ली के अंदर यूज़ करे।
Controversy doesn't seem to stop over a Maggi after a total ban on Maggi in Kerala, and samples taken from several other parts of the country have also been found harmful for the consumption of people. A big blow came from the Future Group, whose biggest retail outlet chain, Big Bazaar, has ordered to remove the Maggi from the shelves. The government-run Kendriya Bhandar has already followed the suit. I'm standing outside one of the store of Big Bazaar in Mayur Vihar. I try to sneak inside the store to check whether the sale of Maggi is still on. But interestingly, the Maggi at this particular store is already out of shelves. We also tried to speak to the store manager here, who refused to comment and divulge any details about the order. However, the empty shelves inside are being filled with the noodles of the other brand. However, the Delhi government is yet to take the decision on the ban across the city. In Delhi with camera person Siddharth Safaya, this is Swati for India Today.
Maggi is facing intense heat from across the country. Massive protests were held in Ghaziabad, Bihar and Punjab. States like Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu have sent the Maggi samples for testing. The Bihar government will decide on Maggi's fate today. Maggi is also off shelves from leading stores like Big Bazaar, Easy Day. Both Army and Navy have suspended the sale of the product in canteen. Meanwhile, sample tests in few states like Goa, Kerala and Maharashtra have declared the lead content within permissible limits in the Nestle India product.
हानिकारक केमिकल्स आने लगे।
तो आप खाओगी आज से?
नहीं।
पहले खाती थी खूब आप? तो आज से खाना
बंद। मैगी जलाई।
क्यों जलाई?
क्योंकि मैगी खाना सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता।
तो आज से खाना बंद?
हाँ।
अब नहीं खाओगी?
नहीं।
इसमें केमिकल आता था, इसीलिए मैगी जलाई है। आज के बाद हम लोग मैगी नहीं खाएंगे।
As Maggi runs into hot water, the union government is mulling strict action. Law Minister Sadanand Gowda has said that if the need be, a new law can be made over food adulteration.
The recent issue pertaining to this Maggi issue, I think that if it is an adulterated food item, certainly without any hesitation we should go against it. Not only that, if necessary, if the health department feels that certain stringent laws to be brought in as far as adulterated food items are concerned, certainly we will work on it.
I had issued an advisory to all states and told them to take the samples of Maggi noodles and report us by 1st June. The states have started sending the reports. Few states are left. We are waiting for the reports to come. Accordingly, action will be taken.
Sir,
no laxity will be left on. No laxity will be there, and appropriate action will be taken accordingly.
After complaints against Amitabh Bachchan, Madhuri Dixit and Preeti Zinta were filed for endorsing Maggi, this is what the Bollywood fraternity had to say.
As consumers, you can take up a case against them if there is a problem. You can. But you cannot hold the person who was endorsing that brand responsible, because then when you show that advertisement on your channel, are you responsible for bringing it out to the people? Is a shopkeeper that's selling it to someone responsible? Where does it end? there is no end to it.
I really feel that you can't hold the brand ambassador responsible for something that goes into the product, especially when you're talking about such a reputed brand.